We're back. Leafeon tin, Amazon warehouse. As you can see, repackaged. I was really hoping it wouldn't be Leafeon because of these. This is the one I've already opened, but it was a good price. So whatevs. Hopefully it's legit though. Let's find out here. I need to find some better lighting because like right now you got more light coming down than you do at it, even with me nearly hitting my head. Is that better though? Like, I don't know. I need some like lights on some bendable goosenecks or something. Wait, I gotta be careful of the tin. Just in case, even though this will be an extra tin, like if one of you is looking for the tin or the Leafeon, I already have one, so whatevs, you know, trade you something, or you buy it off me, whatever. We can work something out, you know? We people in the Prof's Pokemon Polls Club are cool, you know. Cool like that. So here it is. I think it looks much better like this. Let me know though. That or that. Yeah. I think if we have that top light on that bright, we need more light. Bam, 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 bam. Hitting it. Okay. So let's see. Pop the top. And the whole thing is pulled already. The whole thing is pulled. Well, this was a disappointment. Going straight back. Code cards are right here. You guys don't get to see those because it's gotta go back. Oh, and there's XY evolutions in here. Yeah, Super Potion, Brock's Crit, Weedle, Voltorb, Poliwag, Ghastly, Magnemite, Reverse Hollow Machoke, Eradicate, Nidorino, Registeel, Energy, Hakamo. Oh, and I whacked. So this is why I need a clamp to clamp this light to the camera to the desk too. Suggest me things. The Arc Zero Mark II just uses a standard tripod mount. I just need like imagine like a one leg of a GorillaPod. Bendy like that. I had one for my GoPro, but it doesn't work on these. Yeah, so then we have a second hollow Mincio, which is about as common as it gets. And a Lucario reverse hollow. I like that art though. And then a Wingull reverse hollow. So just stacked with garbage. Great. Well, at least I won't have duplicates, I guess. Yeah. So this. Oh, I forgot these dudes. This goes straight back to Amazon. Rip. Well, we'll see you next video. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. Hopefully you enjoyed the Poke Haul, and the ending on disappointment means you should watch one that ends on excitement, right? Check out some of our other videos. Let us know how I did, and maybe give us a follow over on social media. I'm at the Prophecyst. You can find the channel is at Tech Exchange though. For codes I have opened that have been legit, hit me up over on Twitter, personally, and I'll see if I can get you something. Just let me know, you know, which video you watched, or, you know, which specific pack you want, something like that, you know, or box or something, and I'll do what I can to get it to you. I do have a Leafeon tin one, not this one though, obviously. So, we'll see you next time, and peace. Have a good one.